This is M0-V02, how to use this playlist, so you do not get lost in a 10-hour series. A long series fails if you skip around blindly. This video is the map. Keep it bookmarked. On screen, 00 planning, module_map. We go orientation, APIs, MCP, real integrations, agents, case studies, projects, production, then capstone. M0 orientation, path, tools, portfolio. M1 API foundations, resilient client, lab 1. M2 MCP core, host, client, server, tools, lab 2. M3 real integrations, SQLite, issues, webhooks, lab 3. M4 agents, tool loop, mini agent, lab 4. M5-6 case studies, each as problem then build. M6-3 portfolio projects with review. M7 production, security, deploy, packaging. M8 capstone brief and course close. About 67 lessons, roughly 8 minutes each, plus the trailer. Lesson types. C means concept ideas plus light code touch. P means problem, freeze stakes before you write code. Feel the pain. B means build and ship working code with terminal output. L means lab, you run the lab yourself, we recap pass criteria. R means review, critique, polish, portfolio notes. Case studies always pair problem then build. Do not skip the problem half. Pace options. Aggressive, 1 module a day if you already know HTTP. Steady, 2 or 3 lessons a day, with labs the same day as the build. Portfolio mode, finish labs before starting case studies. If you jump mid-series later, use catch-up links at the end of each video so you do not miss earlier lessons. Always prefer chronological playlist order for first pass. Labs attached to modules 1 through 4. Always start the fake store when a lab needs it, npm run store. Then run lab commands from the monorepo root. If a demo fails because the store is down, that is a teaching moment, not a mystery. Let us slow down on the monorepo proof for M0-V02. Open the related source while you listen. Cold reading code without the video is part of the training. If you cannot explain how to use this playlist on a whiteboard tomorrow, outcome, interface, and guardrail, rewatch the problem and build pair. Course spine again, apply to this lesson, models propose actions, tools execute under your rules, business systems hold truth. Every loose schema pushes failures into the worst place, the model context. Every extra write tool expands blast radius. Prefer clear IS error returns over silent invented success. Portfolio habit for M0-V02, write the command you will actually run, the tool names you registered, and 1 refusal path you tested. README quality is engineering, not paperwork after the fact. Founders, translate each tool into a business risk and a business win. Developers, translate each idea into a function boundary and a test. Least privilege is not a slogan for the end of the course. Practice it on every tool surface, default to reads, gate writes, ban mega do anything tools, keep secrets in environment variables or a secret manager, never in model prompts, public Git, or freeform tool arguments the model can invent. Reproducible demos beat heroic one-off laptop magic. For this chapter, seed data, self-tests, and known IDs matter. When something fails, read the first error line fully before changing logic. Green on your machine is the completion signal for lab-style work tied to M0. Worked failure mode, if an agent retries a write without idempotency, you get duplicate tickets, double notifies, or corrupted state. If an agent dumps unbounded lists, you blow context, cost, and privacy. Design the tool so the safe path is the easy path. That is the real craft of AI integration engineering and how to use this playlist. On screen, follow packages/shared/src/http client.ts. Caption, course HTTP client real source. Scroll the real file. Ask, what arguments does the model see, what stays server-side, and what would you refuse to register? Write one sentence in your notes answering those 3 questions for this lesson. On screen, follow apps/fakestore API/src/server.ts. Caption: Fake Store API routes. Scroll the real file. Ask, what arguments does the model see, what stays server-side, and what would you refuse to register? Write one sentence in your notes answering those 3 questions for this lesson. Stay chronological on first pass through the playlist. Module M0 builds on earlier modules on purpose. Schedule the DIY for M0-V02 before you collect unwatched intellectual debt. 8 minutes is enough when we do not skip the terminal proof and the refusal path. Stay chronological on first pass through the playlist. Module M0 builds on earlier modules on purpose. Schedule the DIY for M0-V02 before you collect unwatched intellectual debt. 8 minutes is enough when we do not skip the terminal proof and the refusal path. Stay chronological on first pass through the playlist. Module M0 builds on earlier modules on purpose. Schedule the DIY for M0-V02 before you collect unwatched intellectual debt. 8 minutes is enough when we do not skip the terminal proof and the refusal path. Stay chronological on first pass through the playlist. Module M0 builds on earlier modules on purpose. Schedule the DIY for M0-V02 before you collect unwatched intellectual debt. 8 minutes is enough when we do not skip the terminal proof and the refusal path. Stay chronological on first pass through the playlist. Module M0 builds on earlier modules on purpose. Schedule the DIY for M0-V02 before you collect unwatched intellectual debt. 8 minutes is enough when we do not skip the terminal proof and the refusal path. Stay chronological on first pass through the playlist. Module M0 builds on earlier modules on purpose. Schedule the DIY for M0-V02 before you collect unwatched intellectual debt. 8 minutes is enough when we do not skip the terminal proof and the refusal path. Quick check. Question 1. Recommended first pass order? A. Random viral clips. B. Chronological M0 through M8C, only capstone. D. Only trailer. The correct answer is B. Question 2. What does type P mean? A. Podcast only. B. Problem stakes before code. C. Production deploy. D. Python only. The correct answer is B. Question 3. Case studies are structured as? A. Build then ignore problem. B. Problem then build pairs. C. Trailer only. D. MCQ only. The correct answer is B. Your turn. Open 00 planning/module_map. Write your personal pace, which module you finished this week. List any modules you might skip and why, then decide not to skip M1 and M2 on first pass. Up next, Toolchain and Secret Safety. If you jumped mid-series, watch in chronological order on first pass. If you jumped mid-series, use catch-up links so you do not miss earlier lessons. See you in the next class.